Hello learners, today we're going to be looking at the vowel-R combination OR. We're going to recognize the OR vowel sound in a word and we're going to practice deciding if it's the OR vowel sound or not to help us when we're reading or writing. I want you to listen as I say this word, corn. Watch as I finger stretch it. Corn. K or n. Corn. I can hear the OR sound in the middle. Say that OR sound with me. OR. I'm going to give you some words and I want you to listen for that OR sound. If you hear the OR sound, go ahead and give a thumbs up. The first word is sort. Sort. Thumbs up for the OR sound. The next word is form. Form. Thumbs up for the OR sound. The next word is pot. Pot. There's no OR sound in pot. The next word is torch. Torch. Thumbs up for the OR sound. The next word is watch. Watch. We don't hear the OR sound in watch. The next word is cut. Cut. We don't hear the OR sound in cut. Here are the words that I just told to you, and I want you to look at them and you can see which ones have the OR sound in them because the OR sound is spelled with O-R, like in the words sort, form, and torch. So today, we're going to be learning the sound that the letter O makes when it's followed by the letter R. Let's start with the word that you know. This is the word fox. Let's finger stretch that word together to see what the vowel sound is. Fox. Ox. Fox. What's the vowel sound you hear? Ah, like an octopus. Nice job. I can change that last sound x and change it to a g to get a new word. And my new word is fog. Let's listen for the vowel sound. Fog. F-o-g. Fog. What's the vowel sound you hear? Ah, like in the word fox. Nice job. Now I'm going to take the letter G and I'm going to change it to the letter R. And watch what word I get. I get the word for. But now listen as I stretch this word out. For. Or. For. My mouth didn't say ah, my mouth said or. So when the letter O is followed by an R, our mouth says or, like in the word for. Let's take that knowledge to help us read a new word that has the or sound in it. Here's the word. I know the first sound says h. I see O followed by R, so that says or, and then I see an N which says n. If I put those sounds together, I have the word horn, like someone played an instrument, the horn. Now let's work together to figure out the vowel sound we hear, if we hear the short vowel O, like ah, or if we hear the OR combination or. Here's a picture of a horn. What's missing in the middle? Let's stretch it out to see. Horn. Or horn. What sound do you hear? Ah or? That's right. You hear the sound or with the letters OR to make horn. Let's try another one. Here's the picture of a pot. Let's stretch it. Pot. P-a-t. Pot. What sound do you hear? Ah or? That's right. You hear ah to make the word pot. Nice job. Let's try another one. This is the word horse. Let's stretch it. Horse. Or s. Horse. What sound do you hear? Ah or? Good job. We would hear the sound or with the letters OR to make horse. Let's try another one. This is the word mop. Let's stretch it. Mop. M-a-p. Mop. Do we hear ah or? Nice job. We hear that short vowel sound ah to make mop. And let's try another one. This is the word storm. Let's stretch it. Storm. St or storm. Do we hear ah or? Nice job. We hear that sound or with the letters O-R to make storm. How about this one? This is the word shop. Let's stretch it. Shop. Sh-op. Shop. Do we hear ah or? We hear the sound ah. Nice job to make shop. And those O's aren't showing up in the word. Now, let's take a look at the picture of a thorn. Let's stretch it. Thorn. Or thorn. Do we hear ah or? We hear the sound or. That O followed by an R to make thorn. And how about this one? This is the word corn. Let's stretch it. Corn. K or corn. Do we hear ah or? We hear the sound or with that O followed by an R. So what did we learn today? Today, we learned that the vowel combination OR says or. And when we see an O followed by an R, our mouth says or. And that's going to help us with our reading and our writing.